A lot of people, they think it just is something that it's good for muscle growth. And it's like, yeah, at a basic level for bodybuilding purposes, it's good for body composition and strength. However, there are a lot of things that creatine is often overlooked for in other processes in the body that are fairly important. One of those is methylation, and one of those is brain support. So a lot of people don't realize the massive role creatine actually plays on methylation demands in the body, as well as neuroprotection. A lot of people think that creatine is like this supplement that you need to take because if you take it, then it increases your muscle growth and bloats your muscle with water and then allows you to lift more and consequently build more muscle. And it's like, yeah, it does, but it's also produced by the body. So if you don't take creatine separately, or you don't eat enough meat, which 99% of people won't do, and I don't recommend you try and load your body with 5 grams of creatine via meat, because you're just not gonna be able to do that. Every single day you endogenously produce a certain amount of creatine. About 1 gram is endogenously produced in the human body on a daily basis. And most of that creatine is used and it's found in skeletal muscles, but the remainder is distributed in the blood, brain, and other tissues. And while there are a host of processes in the body that rely on creatine to be carried out optimally and are often completely neglected in this regard, one of the most notable functions of it in the body is neurological support. And in addition to that, the endogenous synthesis of creatine relies on a process called methylation. So arginine and glycine are combined by an enzyme to form guanidino acetate, which is then methylated into creatine. The problem with this process is a lot of people are deficient in glycine, deficient in arginine, or they have impaired methylation through MTHFR polymorphisms. This is actually a very common gene mutation, or more accurately, polymorphism in the general population.